Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I show you how to mix and blend photos together in Canva. Let's go. First start and choose your first picture. Make it fit by drag and dropping and pulling at the edges and corners. Then look for a white shadow in the elements and choose something like me. After that, cut the picture a little bit by dragging the edge. You can adjust the shadow now and make it fit perfectly, like me in the video. There's one nice trick in Canva. If you choose an element, a photo or anything, and you press the arrow keys on your keyboard, you can just slightly and precisely move the picture. And so as you can see here, I can make the shadow fit perfectly. No line is visible now. Now download the picture as a PNG and save the download settings. After that, you can make the same process with your other picture. You can see here I'm also cutting the picture from the other side and using the same shadow, just flipping or mirroring the shadow in the vertical and use it, make it fit. Here you can also do the same process with the arrow keys by just tapping and make it precisely, moving slowly and make it fit, not to have a line between the picture and the shadow. After also downloading the second picture, we are creating a new sheet. Upload the first one and then the second one, drag and drop as you like to make it fit perfectly and as you wish. After that, you must make the first picture, which is above the other, transparent to around about 50-55%. And yes, drag and drop both pictures to make it fit as you wish. Then you can download this picture and upload it again on the new sheet. And now all you need to do is to change the contrast, the brightness, and yes, some shadow, maybe black, and also the saturation. It's very important to make it look very nice. And yes, make it a little bit sharpen and clarity, and then it should be look like this. Thank you for watching and see you next time.